Okay, so I'm retry the bounce back the client. So is happen already bounce was completed. Okay, so wait for the sometimes the new request is coming. I will show you my 1 second. So then this new request is came, uh, 16 18. Okay, 18 12 this one. So this is new request. So install application is healthy. You can able to see healthy because of my bypass the policy. I am not going to check the any type of install application the particular endpoints. I am only check the some other application like antivirus. Okay, I want to check the process this one. Okay, this is my own motto. I am also disable the antivirus also. I am just go to the policy. I am disable antivirus also. I am only one by one I check. 1 second. Go to policy antivirus and disable the antivirus. Save it. Save it. Again retry the policy, retry the agent, bounce back the client, no network changes, submit. So again I am bounce back the client. So wait for minutes. Eight 28 16 14. It will take time. So 14 this new like request. So antivirus disable, the antivirus policy is not visible over here, correct? Antivirus is not going to check. I'm going to disable the policy. Okay, so I'm checking on the Anydex. So I'm going to install the Anydex on the system. Okay, so 1 second, I'm my laptop, install the Anydex. I'm just stop this screen and share my laptop screen. Just moment. So can I able to see my laptop? So laptop I also see. So I'm just installing the Anydex. I'm just checking Anydex is there or not. Maybe not there. It's not there. So I'm going to Google. Any version doesn't matter. Any type of desktop, Windows. Okay. Download now. Installing going on. Only I'm testing to Anydex. Any type of application, any type of exe going to block. Not I'm just example give the example of the Anydex is going to block, but not Anydex. Any type of exe in the to block in an environment in networks, it should be blocked. Okay. Just moment. That exe should be installed. not run. Okay, should be installed. Okay, so this is my quarantine. I retry the agent. One more. This manually I'm doing this retry the on guard agent. Not going to console. I'm retry over here. That's it. I'm just checking. So let's see what happened. So on guard is retrying, trying to connect, sending to connect to my servers and sending to update to clear pass. Okay, it's quarantine. Wait a minute. What is that? Printer not required. See this request. So see this stop. You can able to see my process Anydex is stop. So just this is my laptop. So I will show in my console what will happen. This is my request going to stop the Anydex. They are directly visible to my on guard displays. On guard is showing the Anydex going to stops. So just I am stop the screen and show you my console. So what will happen? So I am just open the console. So output result. See this Anydex. Got it? See. Okay, 1 second. Now coming, it will take. Now can able to see. But I okay. So this is the console output. See the process is not allowed and Anydex is file. So and the clear pass also identify the application which application going to stop not allowed process because of the policies hitting. You can able to see the Anydex. They are going to identify the type of exe which type of exe need to not allowed Anydex because of the policy violence. Got it? So this is a unhealthy process also. See process unhealthy and what type of not allowed exe is not allowed. See the both. Okay. So now I'm checking again the next. I'm disable the process and going to check the Anydex. Sorry, antivirus. I'm disable the process. Uh, 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 uh. Disable the process. Antivirus be enable. Antivirus. Any type of antivirus. Okay. So retry bounce back the client. Yes, I'm going to bomb back. Wait for minutes. Next latest request to coming my console. Wait for minutes. It request is coming. So request is coming. Antivirus. The antivirus name is, can you able to see Dr. Web? Yes, the unhealthy. Okay. So this second policy I am going to check Anydex. And one more, doctor, which in the policy, which application in which antivirus should be allowed, that name you can visible in the policy. Okay, that antivirus should be installed, not a different type of antivirus. That as per your policy, that only antivirus should be installed in a laptop or a desktop, not a different any type of antivirus not going to validate. Only my in the policy configuration, that antivirus should be installed. Got it? The name should be same, not going to different name as per our policy. So this is too much. Again I am going to check the install application. I am going to remove the install application and enable the policy. Save it. So again I am just bounce back the client. Bounce back, succeed. Wait a minute. I just show you my screen also, my laptop screen. So what will happen? You can able to see my screen, correct? So see connecting going on. See, there is process going on. This system is quarantine. Why? The install application. See, install application. Okay. And second point is antivirus, and third is process. Okay. Antivirus, process. So there are three type of applications should be blocked in an environment. In the posture policy, we are achieve the endpoints should be as per our configuration and policy, that matching everything, and that the posture is our match, not any endpoints compliance or checking. If compliance are not matching, that system should be quarantine as per our policy. Got it? So this is the install application policy. The install application should be some remove the unwanted application, and antivirus should be installed, and process should be not allow any Anydex. That type of you should be perform the activity. Inform the desktop team. If you install the antivirus, process should be remove Anydex. Install application, non-vital application as per our policy. Please remove the application. Then system should be healthy, and then they are going to able to access the networks. Yes. Yes, they are not going to act. Yeah, this system is quarantine. As per quarantine policy, either either these three condition. Any one of condition are not matching. Any three that cannot condition are not matching. The system going to quarantine. Quarantine means that limited access. They are not going to access our domain. Not going to access the any type of application. Okay, they only can able to see the access only for not going to anything doing happen, nothing to doing to any Excel file also, because they are not going to connect networks, isolate the networks. These three condition I'm achieve the endpoint should be healthy and matching the compliance. They are not going to violate any compliance as per policy, company policy. Okay, if the any system endpoint going to some suspect activity, they are going to Python, they are going to install the Anydex, they are going to install the team viewers, such type of applications they are going to install. So company violence, company the one system some to compromise, so they are all the company data is going to hack. Correct. Only one single PC going to compromise, that means your company compromise, not a single PC, because their company networks they are connected to your laptops. So very critical job for going to check the all these application, all should be mandatory. They are every 5 minutes they are automatically health check to the my endpoints, automatically they are going to checking the health status in the laptops. They are going to update to my ClearPass console. Policy they are going to check to a handshake, anything going to wrong, they are going to update to a ClearPass pushing the policy to them, so system quarantine block the system on the fraction of second. Immediately they are going to system quarantine. The install application, such type process, Anydex, any type of application they are going to install, that system should be quarantine. That means your system quarantine, that means system going not log in a domain, not log any applications. The outputs, see, process, install application, antivirus. Got it? USB also possible. Okay, but I don't have USB to connect my laptop. You're going to connect the enable the USB, so USB should be connected. They are also going to unhealthy, and you remove the USB also. Got it? So this type of you are need to apply the policy, posture policy, and uh, manage the system. Should be system as per a policy, antivirus, USB, Windows hotfix, patches. Anything can achieve from your ClearPath posture policy. Anything. 70 to 80% job going doing as per your firewall. That enhancement security to the NAC solution. Enhancement. Got it? So this type of we achieve from the posture policy. Posture policy with the help of on-guard agent, we are to achieve the all the endpoint should be healthy. Okay. Anything issue in the posture policy? Anything missing or anything not understand the policy? Webauth policy, how to do this, how works this? Webauth, this for only for related to the on-guard agent. Okay. This policy only. Correct. Correct. No, just if the system they are going to pop up in your clear. 1 second, just I'll show you. 1 second. One second. Okay. This is they if the system anytime quarantine, they pop up message will the quarantine message, and this type of message we can highlight in your desktop. Okay. But one message in can you configure the message to the in the policy? I'm just show you. One second. Can you able to see my screen now? So any decks or any uninstall applications that point the clear pass not do. Okay, you inform to the desktop team. You can enter the message. Please contact desktop team. Enter any name, or mobile number or company number. That's it. 000 whatever like that. You enter the numbers. So they are contact to the desktop directly contacting a desktop team. This message, we can visible there clear pass. Just I'll show you. Okay, Mumbai team. Just save, enter the message. This message directly visible to their desktops. I'll show you this message. My laptop screen can be able to see. One second. Now maybe yes. So just retry the. One second. So see, please contact to desktop team mobile number like that. Correct. So you can enter the any message to the any endpoint desktop. So we inform to the please if your system going to quarantine, write any message to them and inform to the public. Please contact this number. Please contact the team for resolving these issues, because ClearPass not do anything. Okay, they are ClearPass only block the system, handle the policies, but they are not going to install any application and any antivirus and any patches also. Okay, they are doing itself. They are going to manually work. Every every 5 minutes they are going to retry, automatically retry the organization is going to check health status. Okay, so yeah, as per your timing, your company time, you can they are going to change also. 8 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hours, as per your requirement they are going to need to change. Okay, but anything if the system system going to quarantine, enter the any message from can you contacting, they are directly contact to that particular teams. Enter the mobile number, enter the mail id, they are directly drop the mail to him. Please, my system going to quarantine, please check why is it going to quarantine. So they are desktop taking the remotes, and they are going to resolve the issue, and after resolve the issue, that system going to healthy, they are going to able to access the networks. Got it? So any message, we write message in the policy, that message visible to them directly. If yes, in this in the clear pass we need to set, but they are going to retry manually. If they retry manually, then they on the spot they are going to retry. But if they are not going to retry manually, so the automatically the clear pass they retry. You need to reset the time, interval time. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, I will. Okay, correct this asking that question, but I'll just alert you. When going to retry the 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they are very critical. By default, in my networks, the retry timing is 8 hours. 8 hours. 8 hours. Because of I just show you why is it going to 8 hours. Because they every 5 minutes, every 3 minutes they are going to retry. So they are going to your bandwidth also choke and their connectivity also is disconnected. That system also disconnected. See, I'll just show you this. Can I able to see my screen? Yes, can I able to screen correct? So just I'm retry the screen. What will happen? See, I'm just retry the once this is my laptop. Yes, I'm retry. Just second. So this is my manual retry. But when going to my bounce back the client, so that time this scenario is not happen. This time sit sometime with a fraction 2 or 3 5 seconds their connectivity loss. When I am pushing the bounce back the client when going the pushed my clear pass bounce back the client that time my connectivity loss. Got it? So that time that's why I'm not going to suggest you go to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Bandwidth consumption also increase and that's connectivity also loss. That's major impact. So as per suggestion, got it na? Time bit, time bit. That's okay. Mhm. Okay, once in a while. Correct. Once in a while it's okay, fine, no issue, but not a regular time. Once in a while, okay. Regular is not good. Regular is going to that's going to very big impact and bandwidth consumption is will increase. They are big because they are sending every time sending the packet to the clear pass. The clear pass and endpoint going the MPLS link or which link are connected. That link thousands of number system going to packet sending to my clear pass. So that thousands of packets coming to my clear pass and again clear pass pushing the same to them. So they are going to bandwidth consumption. Correct? 1,000 packets coming, 1,000 packets going. So there is major impact. But once in a while it's okay. No, it's not will happen. And once in a while it's okay. So that is very important. So this is for retry time. So antivirus, USB, process, install application, any type of application should be achieved with the help of my posture policy, because the endpoint should be healthy and should be non-violated application and not going to suspect activity they are going to perform any type of users, because we use now user very smart. Chat GPT is there, so everything ask in the chat GPT and then they going to perform the action on my laptop. Correct? So easy to chat GPT. So many users they are not perform the anything they are doing, they are not going to use brain. They are going to check only chat GPT. Got it? So that type of user, so to control with the help of my ClearPass, configure the antivirus, configure the process, configure the install application, configure USB, configure the multiple type of policies. So they are going to not going to crack any type of policy they are going to crack. So the system going to quarantine and the system going to quarantine, system not going to able to access. So directly that easy to catch to them what will happen, what will change your endpoints, what will new apply, install application, install anything going to change, easily catch him. Got it? Sometimes user we can catch it with the help of any type of policy we are configure. So process, antivirus, firewall, virtual, any type of, so like that we can happen the process and web app policies work. Okay. Again one more thing, policy testing about. So I am just configure the particular PC. I am going to test only one particular PC. Okay. But when going to perform the, I just in the last lecture I'll explain the how to broadcast policy and how to segregate the separate policy. This is my separate policy perform my only one networks. I'll configure the multiple type of network connection. I'll configure the add the number of subnets. Got it? In the last lecture I covered that point. So enforcement, just for this is my enforcement. Okay, I just solely enforcement. 1 second. Enforcement pending about this time. Okay, this is my enforcement policy. See this policy call to the times 8 hours. And policy in the posture policy, in enforcement policy, I can call that 8 hours should be equal true. They are going to check retry 8 hours with the time source. This is my 8. I told you in 8 hours. You can change it 1 hours. We can interval time is 1 hours. You can change it 20 minutes. We can go 20 minutes. Okay. So just 1 second. This is my antivirus policy. This is my enforcement policy for web auth policy. This is for standard. This can enter the name of the policy. Enforcement type is web auth. Okay. termination default profile is Cisco or any type of, not mandatory, any type of profile we should by default in access profile. By default is by in access profile. By default is in access profile. 1 second. If not there, so we can post particular. Okay, posture healthy update is fine. Rules very important. Just as explain the rules about the. This is a condition about the enforcement policy about my web auth policy. Tips equal to posture. Posture means I told you what is the posture means. That posture policy. You know the posture policy, antivirus, install application, process. This is our posture policy. Equals is the condition, and first condition tips posture equals to quarantine. मतलब first condition we can posture policy equals to quarantine, so 20. This means the standard. Okay. Endpoint healthy equals to endpoint healthy equals false. No need to check. When going to system healthy, no need to check. Okay. Posture Windows Universal install application. I told you install application. You can configure the. I just told you. You can configure the antivirus. Got it? Equals healthy. Okay. You can configure like the again antivirus hotfix equals healthy. You can check like that. We can configure again antivirus hotfix install application patch. A patch you need to check any type of patch. Patch should be healthy. Again one more things. Process you need to check. That should be healthy. We call to policy. One more thing again. Process service. USB also is there. USB also is there. USB should be healthy. So this type of condition should be configured as per manually. Okay. This is time source. This is for time source. Okay. This is our time source. Okay. These are the time source. Plus 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 minute. We can select over here. Okay. Time source. We can select. I'm selecting 8 hours. It should be minutes, day, 1 month, 1 week. You can select like that. For on-guard agent, retry time. Okay. So this type you can condition patch management. You can check this should be healthy. These and the profile name already is present in my ClearPass. The Cisco, Aruba endpoint. Already all the profile is present. Template is there. It should be select. That's it. And select over here. That's it. Got it? So by default is Cisco. What is the type of switches? Cisco or Aruba. You can select that type of agent replacement. Okay. Agent on guard quarantine and agent post authentication. It should be selected. This is the first condition, and second condition I am going to check the what is universal install application not equal to healthy. That is a quarantine policy. This is for quarantine policy. First is a healthy policy. Second is quarantine. Install application not equal to healthy. Not equal to healthy should be quarantine. So quarantine application in the that see. Let's show you. First condition healthy before policy. The first one is number 1. Correct. So now is first one is the quarantine. You need to check the not healthy. Tips posture equal to quarantine. So apply the quarantine policy. You can see this one. The first condition this one. See. Posture equal to not equal to healthy. With the first condition. And Second condition, install application not equal to healthy equals true, posture equal to quarantine. First one is healthy only, second only quarantine policy only. Yes. Sub condition, yes. Okay, in the posture policy. Are you in the or in the networks or ClearPass is your ClearPass is still working or still under process? So you need to configure in it is the posture policy already on guard agent is there or not still? Okay, okay. That's why I don't know about that. If you need there, now let me know. I will configure and I'll how to do this. I'll let you know. Don't worry about it. Okay. When going to purchase the license about the on guard agent, because that license should be purchased by Aruba team. Because the license base or on guard agent is a license base. So this type of condition is there. So this is a Bebas policy. Okay. So anything and everything is understand for the Bebas policy or something missing out that. Mm-hmm. 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 I just explain you again. Okay. So this is a screen. Can I able to see my screen and understand the my diagram? Okay, what I'll just show you. So I just explain the. Okay. So WebAuth, what will happen WebAuth? Okay, just explain webauth. See, I'm talking about a webauth agent. Webauth, when come to webauth, webauth should be connected, related to the on-guard agent. Only related only the on-guard agent. If the on-guard agent install in your endpoints or laptop, okay, which is directly connected or Wi-Fi connected, but should be webauth related to only for on-guard agent. If the on-guard agent is there, so webauth policy coming to the picture. Got it? मतलब मैं आपको हिंदी में बता दो, जब भी आपका ऑन गार्ड एजेंट, अभी एग्जांपल बता दो कि एंटीवायरस में क्या होता है, एंटीवायरस में एंटीवायरस को सर्वर कनेक्ट होने के लिए एंटीवायरस का एजेंट फाइल आपको सर्वर, आपका एंटीवायरस का एजेंट फाइल आपको कहां डालना पड़ेगा, एंड पॉइंट में, तभी वो एंड पॉइंट अपडेट लेगा सर्वर से. गॉट इट? सेम थिंग सर्वर क्लाइंट का जो सिनारी, वही सेम सिनारी इसके अंदर है. ऑनगार्ड एजेंट जिसमें रहेगा, ऑनगार्ड एजेंट क्लियर पास का वर्जन रहेगा, वही ऑनगार्ड एजेंट को वेबऑथ की पॉलिसी लगेगी. वेबऑथ की पॉलिसी लगेगी तो वेबऑथ का जो अपडेट होगा, ऑनगार्ड एजेंट क्या करेगा, ऑनगार्ड एजेंट सारा एंड पॉइंट्स का हेल्थ स्टेटस, एंटीवायरस, पैच मैनेजमेंट जो भी है, EXE सारा का सारा हेल्थ स्टेटस पूरा पीसी का अपडेट लेकर एंड पॉइंट किसको भेजेगा, क्लियर पास को भेजेगा. क्लियर पास चेक करेगा एज पर और कंप्लायंस चेक करेगा, पोस्चर चेक करेगा. उस पोस्चर में से उसको कुछ भी मिसिंग लगता है, कोई आपको लगता है कि एंटीवायरस अपडेट नहीं है, वह पोस्ट मैंने अपडेट नहीं हुए, USB कनेक्टेड है, इंस्टॉल एप्लीकेशन, तो पॉलिसी क्या करेगा, क्वारंटाइन पॉलिसी पुश करेगा. और उस टाइम पे क्वारंटाइन पॉलिसी पुश करेगा किसको, स्विच को, सॉरी इसको पुश करेगा, किसको पुश करेगा, एंड पॉइंट को. सिस्टम को क्वारंटाइन होगा, जब वेबऑथ के पॉलिसी सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन होगा, उसके बाद जब क्वारंटाइन पॉलिसी होने के बाद आता है .1x. .1x होने के लिए आपको क्या होगा, ये सिर्फ मैंने क्या बेस क्लियर पास और एंड पॉइंट के बाद में पता चला कि मैंने सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन है, तो पॉलिसी पुश किया किसने, CPPM ने, क्लियर पास ने एंड पॉइंट को. तो जो ऑनगार्ड एजेंट अपडेट किसको करेगा, स्विच को अपडेट करेगा कि ये सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन है. लेकिन स्विच में आपका वो पोर्ट है, वो NAC .1x कॉन्फ़िगर होना चाहिए, तभी वो सिस्टम ब्लॉक होगा. अगर आपका सिस्टम ब्लॉक नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आपका ओनली ऑनगार्ड एजेंट होने से, ऑनगार्ड क्वारंटाइन होने से आपका सिस्टम ब्लॉक नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपका स्विच के ऊपर वो पोर्ट पे NAC कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होना चाहिए. जो पोर्ट पे .1x कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है, जो पॉलिसी वो आपकी वो पोर्ट पे कॉन्फ़िगर होना चाहिए, तभी वो सिस्टम ब्लॉक होगा. क्लियर पास बोलता है कि सिस्टम, क्लियर पास बोलता है कि सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन है, क्योंकि उसमें USB कनेक्टेड है. आई एम जस्ट गिव द वन एग्जांपल. वो USB कनेक्टेड होने की वजह से क्लियर पास बोलता है कि ये पॉलिसी वायलेंस है, जिसकी वजह से कंप्लायंस मैच नहीं होने की वजह से सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन हो चुका है. गॉट इट? बट क्वारंटाइन सिस्टम होने के बाद वो स्विच को अपडेट करेगा, भाई सिस्टम मेरा क्वारंटाइन हुआ है, लेकिन स्विच को आपका पोर्ट जो एंड पॉइंट कनेक्ट, वो पोर्ट पे NAC कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं रहेगा, तो स्विच कुछ भी नहीं करेगा, डायनामिक एसएल पुश नहीं करेगा. सिस्टम क्वारंटाइन है, लेकिन वो सब कुछ चलता रहेगा जब तक स्विच उसको डायनामिक एसएल पुश नहीं करेगा, तब तक. गॉट इट? That means on-guard is related to switch under the NAC. NAC only need to configure the 100% that port under the NAC, then that system going to quarantine. The dynamic SL pushing to the switch, block the port. Clear pass only give the command to switch. Action taken by switch only. Okay. Web तो yeah, extra file I'll just show you. This is my administrators on guard setting installer. You can see this Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu. These are the on guard agent. This for on guard agent. These are environment for Windows machines. This Mac OS machine, the Mac OS machine. This is Ubuntu machine. So you can download the click on over here. This is download the on-guard agent. This on-guard agent install your system in your endpoints. This exe file. So this is for webauth. This file for related to only webauth. Okay. I just cover second point. One second. I'm just explaining the. So can you clear the first point, how to work the web auth policy? Clear that point. I going to say. Yes. 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 Okay. The web auth policy like that work. Any type of application should be blocked. Any while achieve the posture. So that time should be web auth on guard. On guard agent is mandatory. Without on guard agent, we are not going to any posture. Okay. In any endpoint, any laptop, you should cover the security and going to take precaution about the systems with the help of only on guard agent. Without on guard agent, we will not do anything. Okay, one more file is onboard. Onboard means this is on guard for directly connect physical connectivity. Onboard means BOID devices like your iPod, laptop without sorry iPod. Onboard means see visitors. Visitor how to going to onboard devices. That time require the onboard agent license. That also require the license. On guard, onboard. These are the required license also. This mandatory required license. Without license, they are not performed. See, just take you the onboard means any executive, any account team. This audit from audit purpose, some 10 to 15 days they are going to sitting your company. Got it? So that visitor need going to allow to access with the help of onboard that device going to onboard with the help of policies that going to onboard with the help of some checking parameter. Onboard means only for directly connected network, not like that. Onboard I am going to check everything scratch to bottom. That means going to antivirus, that means going to check the Windows patches, that going to for any AXE, all going to check with the help of onboard also. But they are onboard and onboard mandatory require the license, purchase the license. Okay, so I'm just this webauth like is working style. Webauth without on guard agent not going to work. Okay, I'm just perform the mac auth. What will happen the mac auth? Mac authentication means mac bypass. Okay, mac authentication only for uh, uh, example the CCTVs, printer, IP phone, and biometric machine. These type of devices under the MAC-Auth policy. Under the MAC-Auth means MAC-Auth, that means the username password should be in the MAC address of the systems. मैकऑथ की पॉलिसी में क्या होता है कि जो यूजर नेम का जो डिवाइस है, जैसे यूजर नेम का डिवाइस है मेरा आईपी फोन को क्या करेगा, आईपी फोन का यूजर नेम पासवर्ड, क्योंकि आईपी फोन को हम लोग डोमेन आईडी नहीं दे सकते, क्योंकि आईपी फोन इतना मैनेजेबल नहीं है. मतलब आईपी फोन आईपी दे सकता है बट वो खुद किसी आदमी के थ्रू लॉगिन नहीं होता. गॉट इट? तो उसके लिए हम तो उस टाइप सीसीटीवी को हम लोग यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डोमेन में नहीं दे सकते, क्योंकि मैनुअली खुद लॉगिन नहीं करता. तो उस टाइम में क्या होता है, मैकऑथ पॉलिसी में ये होता है कि मैकऑथ पॉलिसी उसका यूजर नेम पासवर्ड उसका मैक एड्रेस होता है, फिजिकल मैक एड्रेस ही होता है. गॉट इट? सो मैकऑथ पॉलिसी हम किसको देते हैं, जिसके अंदर नॉन मतलब जिसके अंदर दिमाग नहीं, इंटेलिजेंट दिमाग नहीं. आईपी फोन में खुद का दिमाग चलता है लेकिन कोई उसको मैनेज नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि डोमेन लॉगिन नहीं होगा वो सिस्टम, सीसीटीवी लॉगिन नहीं होगा, प्रिंटर लॉगिन नहीं होगा, प्रिंटर के साथ मैक एड्रेस होता है और कुछ नहीं होता. तो ये टाइप के डिवाइसेस होते हैं, उसको हम लोग मैकऑथ पॉलिसी में मूवमेंट करते हैं. गॉट इट? तो मैकऑथ जो पॉलिसी होती है वो सिर्फ होती है जिसके पास खुद का दिमाग है, लेकिन वो किसी को मैनेज करने का अनुमति नहीं देता, उसको हम लोग मैकअथ पॉलिसी मूवमेंट करते हैं। मैंने आपको बताया प्रिंटर, आईपी फोन, सीसीटीवी, बायोमेट्रिक मशीन, ये सारे डिवाइसेस क्या होते हैं, मैकअथ पॉलिसी से कवर होते हैं। ये जो मैकअथ पॉलिसी है रेडियस प्रोटोकॉल के थ्रू वर्क करती है, 181 टू 183 प्रोटोकॉल के थ्रू ऑथेंटिकेट। मैकअथ पॉलिसी में ये फायदा होगा कि जो भी डिवाइस है वो अंडर नैक रहेगा, मतलब सिक्योर रहेगा। कोई भी, जैसा अभी एग्जांपल मैंने बताया कि आपके पास 10,000 आईपी फोन से 10,000 सीसीटीवी कैमरा है, तो ये सिर्फ वही डिवाइसेस मेरे पास मैनुअली व्हाइट लिस्ट होंगे तो ही मेरे पास वो ऑथेंटिकेट होगा। मतलब ये मैकअथ पॉलिसी में आपका यूजर, आपका जो मैकेट है उसको आपके कंसोल में व्हाइट लिस्ट मैनुअली कराना पड़ेगा, तो ही वो अलाउ होगा। करेक्ट। Okay, got it. So like that same. See, why use a Mac auth? See, actual example. I have the somebody you can directly connect uh, any laptop your machines, any networks. Okay. So Mac auth is only validated and known person we can allow their networks. Mac auth mean only the number of known person, known devices whitelist in a clear pass that time should be work. They are not going to whitelist MAC address of the system. They are not going to log in the networks. Got it? मतलब ये है मैकऑथ का मीनिंग, ये होता है कि मैकऑथ में मैं उसी को अलाउ करूंगा जिसका मैक एड्रेस मैंने अलाउ मेरे मैक कंसोल में व्हाइट लिस्ट किया, वही नेटवर्क, वही पीसी, वही प्रिंटर मेरे नेटवर्क में कनेक्ट होगा। अदर देन दैट कोई भी कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकता। जो मैटलिस्ट किया मैक एड्रेस वही नेटवर्क में मेरे कनेक्ट होगा। इधर देन दैट कोई भी अननोन पर्सन मेरे नेटवर्क में कनेक्ट नहीं होगा जब तक उसका मैक एड्रेस मेरे नैक कंसोल में अलाउ नहीं किया जाएगा। रिस्ट्रिक्टेड 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 एनी न्यू पीसी। यस यस do manually work. This is a manual because there's security. I need to do security. See, I'm going to open now, so somebody can connect any unknown person. They are directly connect your patch cable, your switch, and they are going to log in the access. They are got the access. Got it? This this is for hacking your compromise the security. This is a bridge the security. That's why going to Mac authentication should be send a mail particular MAC address of this is my new PC and going to connect the network. Proper approval, manager approval also need approve the manager, then approval, then going to allow the management the teams and NAC team whitelisted, then approve, then that record also there this MAC address. These days I am going to allow whitelist in NAC console. Anything wrong, so we can check the backdated data. I am going to allow the system as per your approval. Got it? So like that we can allow the MACAuth. MACAuth policy, very good policy, but only for limited for printers, CCTV like that, only for these type of devices.
Okay.
It's
Can I use even web policy for printer?
no, not it, not it, not it. See, on-guard agent, I'm not going to install the on-guard agent in the printers. I'm not going to install the on-guard agent in the CCTV. Got it?
Yeah.
So that this type of device is not going to cover in the web-auth.
But I can use .1x.
Yes, I have just come to the next point. See, the MACAuth is completed, so I'm going to .1. .1x is secure and everything checked by domain ID. Username password should be matching and verify your AD.
Okay.
The .1x means the endpoints or laptops that laptop username and password should be verify my AD servers. The AD are matching, the username or password is there in my AD servers, that going to acknowledge the AD server, then going to able to access the networks. This is the .1x. .1x for employee only. Employee. Both the policy .1x and MACAuth are the radius policy. They are going to authenticate with the radius protocols. Security by as per the AAA authentication, AAA servers. Authentication, authorization, accountability. This type of under the both the MACAuth and .1x.
Okay. Can I use MACAuth and .1x together?
No, not it. Together means I didn't understand how to together means.
I mean, for some devices, like you said, that the printer and everything,
Mhm.
then the IP telephone printer or display,
Yes, yes,
some other devices, I will use this only for those devices.
yes,
So that the client which will log into the network,
Mhm.
they will go through the .1x.
yes, yes. So we can use both of them, but configure the different policy. MACAuth the different service and .1 is a separate service, not going to match in the single service. Got it? We can use it, but both the services are different. MACAuth the service and .1 is a different service.
Okay, can I create any service where I can say, yeah, it will check MACAuth,
Yes,
even if we say .1x, is one service which we use now.
yes, yes, yes. MACAuth only we can only check the MACAuth. .1x only we can check the .1x. I'll show you. Go to service. I'll just show you MACAuth service. These are MACAuths printers. Okay, this is our MACAuth service. Type is MAC authentication. Got it? Ethernet and wireless. We can check the Ethernet wireless. Login username password not required from them. This username password is the MAC address of the system. See. Okay, MAC address. Got it? You can create any groups. I am going to create the only groups. This is groups. We can create the static host list. Okay, you can add the MAC address, that also possible, or you can open also, you can, that also possible. No need to create the groups, that also possible. You can delete the groups, not required, or you can create the group. Okay, authentication is only for MAC-Auth. See, authentication method, see, you can see only MAC-Auth.
Okay.
And authentication source is not AD, is a local endpoint repository. This is a local database, not going to check the AD. Got it?
Yes.
So like that same is endpoint repository is very important. Roles, what is your camera, a telephone, we can define the roles. IP phone. Okay, these are the allow times. Monday to Sunday we can allow profile.
Yeah.
Any type of, we can define the what type of devices, bounce back policy. So this is I'll this is a MAC-Auth policy. I'll show you the lab because I will perform the lag. Okay. So this is the MAC-Auth policy and enforcement. .NET is very important for the area endpoints. Require the .NET.
Absolutely.
Okay, all this fine. All the I'm not perform the lab, but I'll explain the webauth, MAC-Auth, and .NET. You can understand that all these three policies.
Yes, understand. So .NET will come, Mac author I understood.
Mhm.
.NET will come and will be check by the server, AD.
AD only. .NET is only going to check the username password. AD only. MAC-Auth, they are not going to check any AD server. They are going to check only MAC-Auth. MAC address should be whitelisted in your NAC console. That's it. Username password in MAC-Auth is your MAC address.
So what is actually there is like the devices and
Device.
iPhone I mean the devices, the Android, iPhone and everything,
Mhm.
it will be connected to the Intune. I mean in Microsoft Intune, they are managed by the Intune, and I would like to connect those devices also in ClearPass. Can I do that?
Yes, you can.
Those devices.
You can do this. You can. You don't have the license. You can go for the MAC-Auth policy. if
Okay.
if you don't have the any type of license, you can use for this type of devices. Go for configure the MAC-Auth policy and allow this type of devices to at least the MAC address and allow the MAC-Auth policy possible there.
Uh-huh.
But their iPod, they are going to log in with the help of ADID.
No, they will be checking AD, but they will be monitored and maintained by the Intune, Microsoft Intune.
Microsoft Intune. Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it. So this hardware device or this software?
This hardware device. I mean this. I mean like if I have a new iPhone, I have to configure it in Intune,
Hmm.
and Intune will give me all the softwares what I'm allowed to have in my iPhone. I mean they will set all the softwares what I'm allowed to have,
Hmm.
and they will just monitor and maintain everything, all the iPhones in the network and all the iPad in the network, maybe all the client PC even in the network,
Hmm.
and then all the devices will come into the ClearPass.
Okay, we can configure the as MAC-Auth policy. We can con.
So normally, no, if those devices, I mean, especially the client PC, I mean laptops, they will be in .NET policy, not in MacOS policy.
.NET is coming into the only domain ID policy. They are going to check the ID username and password, verify the username and
Right.
password.
Intune will be automatic. Intune will be connected to the AD.
So,
I mean,
uh-huh.
uh, all the devices which will be configured in the Intune, it will be Intune group in AD. I
Okay.
mean, you have AD, you have Intune in the cloud,
Hmm.
and you have one device. That means the device will be obviously configured in AD, and then this device will be configured even in the Intune. I mean, you will extra configure the device in Intune. And then if so it's totally to control all the devices centrally. Like if you push the device in one group of Intune, and if you allow all the software what this machine should have, like you have Windows PowerShell, Office software or AnyDesk or any other software, you have to put in one group of Intune, and you have pushed the laptop in that group, then your laptop will automatically get all the software from Intune.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this is the goal actually. That's why the things is like if we have Intune, we have BFS and we have AD. Then is there any benefits of Intune in ClearPass? Can you please maybe share in the next class?
Into ClearPass, I didn't get it. Into ClearPass, mean in ClearPass in the type of software.
Yeah, Intune is just I'm just sharing my screen so that I can explain you a little bit.
Yeah, one second. Okay.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I can able to use. Yes, yes.
Okay, and so our target is now we have clear devices.
Okay.
And like this is a device, this is a computer, so it's coming to the clear path.
This
So the
hardware,
interface is
this hardware device, Untune.
yeah, this is the like this is the CPTL
Okay.
and this is the laptop. Okay, so this is now the part of our current scenario. But in future, what we have, this laptop will be connected to cloud.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
a cloud, and it will be monitored in the cloud. Like
Okay.
here. Okay. So that means this is the Microsoft Intune. I'm writing again. This is like Microsoft Intune, and our goal is all that. I mean, Microsoft Intune is connected to the AD server. This is the AD server. AD server. So AD server and AD server is connected to the Intune. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, we have like created one group in AD server. Okay. This is like say we have here one group. It's called client network. Client. Okay.
Okay.
Like this is a group. This is clients. And these clients will be synchronized in Intune. So that means that we will see again the clients here. Okay. That means this client is synchronized from AD server.
Okay.
And the goal is like this laptop is now currently connected to the directly to the AD server.
Okay.
Okay. Now in future it will not be connected to the AD server. So this will be gone. And our target is that this laptop will be connected to the Intune.
Oh, 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 oh.
What is the benefit? What is our benefit? Benefit is like, so if we connect to the Intune, so we will set in Intune like Office software or AnyDesk or any antivirus like Sophos or any other MSI software. We will set in Intune.
Okay.
This all software will be in the client group, and we will like put this laptop in the client group,
Okay.
so that this all software clients can get automatically if the client is open
Got it.
install.
Got it.
Okay, we don't have to install manually
Mm-hmm.
in laptop.
Mm-hmm.
It will take all the
Mm-hmm.
software automatically. This is the point. Now the question is,
Mm-hmm.
like, is there an impact if it is happening? Like, I don't have any direct connection, so now we have here like dot one x. Okay, this is the dot one x
Mm-hmm.
connection.
Mm-hmm.
Currently we have dot one x protocol here,
Mm-hmm.
and so that means dot one x that logic is like it will be kept from the AD server. So
Correct.
CPPM is also connected to the AD.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Now the question is, if my laptop goes to the CPPM now,
Mm-hmm.
so it is connected with the Microsoft Intune, and Microsoft Intune is connected to the AD server,
Okay.
and my laptop will go to the CPPM,
Okay.
and CPPM is also with the AD server.
Okay.
Is there any problem or any issue or actually should be checked, should be any, I mean, is there any issue, no issue? If you can tell me in the next slide.
That means you should be, you can, they are connected to the AD also connected to iTunes, Intunes, correct? And so they see the Microsoft Intune is a cloud centralized software update tools, correct? Centralized updates.
Right, right,
So they are going to connect to the AD server, correct? So so are you going to directly in the laptop directly going to a Microsoft Intune, not going to AD? Got it?
no, it will not go to the ready because all the software is in Intune now. I mean, the laptop will be monitored by the Intune.
So so you need to change the AD server, escape with in the AD, replace the AD and configure the Intune Microsoft, correct?
Yeah, right.
So
Laptop will go to the AD, but not directly it will go to the Microsoft Intune.
no, in the AD directly connected to Intune, correct? So I am going to replace the AD Intune. So username password they are fetching to Intunes AD.
Yeah, yeah. Username and password, everything will be in Intune.
So
This is the
so it's possible to configure direct replace the AD and configure to Intune in the CPPM. That's it. Don't directly connect to AD because both of them working as a single, but both are working style are same, but they are only centralized the cloud base. This is a physical, correct?
Intune not physical. It is only the
Cloud, yes. So are you going to configure the Intune in your CPPM? That's it. Yeah, they replace the AD, correct, na?
okay. That means you mean that this connection will
Uh, directly connect to the Intunes. Don't configure the AD. So
okay. That means CPPM will contact with the Intune, not
Intune,
with the AD.
correct. So both the working style are same. This is a cloud and this is for physical server, AD server, correct. So they are going to happen because Amazon also they are going to same as it is. Amazon cloud also going to same. So it's possible you need to change the AD to Microsoft Intune.
Connection. Right.
Yes, possible.
Okay. Actually, I have appointment next week
Mm-hmm.
regarding this point.
Mm-hmm.
I have to talk with the expert of Intune and CPPM also.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, when I know something, I can ask them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That is possible, no, but can you check first one system, not going to entire networks. Anything need to change only for one system, not going to entire. Please make sure. So you need to check if it's working. So then change the entire. Got it? Now anything the practice of these in a network and the security you should be apply on a single PC. That single PC is working, then going to change the entire networks. No need to directly change the AD. Should be create a new groups, create everything, new policy, create a new everything, and apply particular one systems. Intune is working on a single PC, so they are going to change the replace the AD and then directly convert to Intune. That's it. It's possible. Not going to big deal.
Mm,
Not challenge.
understand.
Okay.
Okay.
So today enough. I am next
Yeah.
lecture. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.
And then I'll let you know maybe schedule a chapter tomorrow.
Uh-huh.